Hello, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. Let's revise some suku kata. Na, ba, ma, sa, ka, ta, pa, ya, ni, bi, mi, si, ki, ti, pi, yi, nu, bu, mu, su, ku, tu, pu, you. What is this sound in Malay? Yes, in Malay we say ch. It's similar to the English ch, as in chop. It is not like the English k sound in cat. Now let's revise some suku kata using the ch sound. Cha, chi, chu. What is a cup in Malay? Yes, it's cawan. What is a lizard in Malay? Yes, it is cicak. What is he doing? He is washing. In Malay we say cuci. He is washing a cup. In Malay we say cuci cawan. Cuci cawan. Here we have true. This is cha. This is ba. We have cuba. Here we have baca. Cuba baca. It means try to read. Here it's sa. This is ya. Saya. Saya means I. Saya cuba baca. I try to read. Now let's make it a complete sentence. So we begin with the capital letter. Saya cuba baca. Ends it with a full stop. Okay. Saya cuba baca. This is a complete sentence. In Malay, a sentence is called ayat. Ayat. Here it's cha and here it's chi. Put them together, we have Chachi. Chachi means to scold harshly. Here we have Ka, and this is Cha. Put them together, we have Ka Cha. Ka Cha. It means glass. This door is made of glass. Ka Cha. Here it's true. Here we have another true. Put them together, we have true, true. True, true means a grandchild. Look at this family. Who is the true, true? Yes, the baby. It's the grandchild of the grandparents. Okay, true, true. Here it's chi, and this is gu. Chi gu. Chiku is a small brown tropical fruit with sweet, soft, and brownish flesh inside. Chiku. Have you tried chiku before? Now let's read a few sentences. Here we have ini buku kamu. Oh, it's a question. We have to ask a question. So we say, ini buku kamu? Is this your book? Buku kamu. Your book? Ya, ini buku saya. Yes, this is my book. Buku saya. My book. Okay, let's read again. Ini buku kamu? Ya, ini buku saya. Saya suka buku. I like books. Saya coba baca. I try to read. Saya suka baca buku. I like to read books. Okay, let's read the sentences again. Saya suka buku. Saya coba baca. Saya suka baca buku. We learned how to write this lowercase letter last week. Now here's a visual clue to help you remember where the curve goes. So this is a cup. When you are writing this letter, imagine you are drawing the handle of the cup, and the cup is facing this way. Okay, this is the handle of a cup. In Malay, we say cawan. Cawan. So that's all we have for now. Remember to keep trying. Bye-bye. I'll see you again.